What is happening, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Chev. Make sure you are subscribed down below. So for today's video, we are about to do a clip-in extension on my natural hair, and the hair that we'll be using today is from Curlsqueen.com. So the hair that we'll be using is a 4A 4B kinky texture, and this is what a bundle of hair looks like. We're only going to use one bundle of hair to achieve our clip-in style. So first things first, I gotta wash these clip-ins. So I wash them with shampoo and conditioner as opposed to just co-washing. I need to make sure that this hair was product free. I could see the natural coils of the clip-ins itself so that I could best match it with my hair. And this is what it's looking like once it is dry. So this is my braided pattern of how I'm going to install these clip-ins. So we're gonna do a side part. So these are the pieces of hair that I'll be leaving out as my leave out. And then I just did a quick braid down on my natural hair. So this comes in 10 pieces of weft. So this is their classic weft, not the seamless weft. So this is just a classic. So I start with the weft that has the 3 clips on the back or the nape of my neck. And I always use that because it like sets a foundation for how the clip-ins are gonna go. So first things first, I'm going to re-wet the hair. Then I'm going to take some mousse and I'm going to apply that to the hair just to see if I get enough definition with just the mousse. So the hair is looking really lovely, and I know it's going to have a volumized look once it's dry. So I'm like, you know what? I need a little bit more definition with this curl so that it could match my hair. So we're going to go in with this Wetline Extreme Gel. And then we're just going to put that all over the hair. And then we're going to use this detangling brush that I also got from Curlsqueen. And then we're just going to comb that out so that we could get the full defined look with the gel. And this is what the coils are looking like. Like, look how coily that is. It looks super natural and I'm obsessed. Like, it looks so juicy and luscious. So we're going to continue to do this section by section as we put in each piece of clip-in. I used almost all the hair. I just had like one piece left, and if I wanted to I could put it in the back, but because of how voluminous this hair is, even in its wet state, I didn't even need to put in that extra piece because it wasn't even necessary. Another thing that is optional for you, depending on how you apply these clip-ins, is by cutting the weft. So I just had that little piece there that was completely bothersome. So I decided to just cut that little piece where the clip is, and it was like seamless. To blend my hair with the clip-ins, I'm just going to do the exact same thing that I did with the clip-in. I'm going to wet my hair, then I'm going to, instead of putting mousse on my hair, because my hair is low porosity, too much products is going to cause a buildup and it's going to look all white. So I just use the gel and water alone and just do finger coils. Now to slick down my edges, I'm gonna use Style Factor Edge Boost Gel, or edge control rather, and just slick down my hair. And I love this edge control because my hair do not move with it. Like, even though it's winter time, so that could be a factor, but I just love how it lays my hair. And also, as I said, I have low porosity hair, and once my hair is clean when I use this, I don't get any buildup at all using this, or any white residue. It just lays for the god. So while I'm about to do my makeup, I'm just going to use these clips to keep my hair in place so that it could dry blended with the clip-ins, as opposed to drying on its own and then like sticking out. And this is what my hair looks like after it is fully dry. Like, look at the definition and volume of these clip-ins. Like, who is about to tell me this isn't my hair? Like, look at that blend. It is so effortless. It looks so natural, and I am obsessed. The quality of this hair is just to die for. Let me know what you guys think about this look. All the details will be in the description box down below for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment down below. And follow me on all social media platforms at Chev. I love you guys so much for watching. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye, guys.